We are moving into a time where doing things manually isn't impressive anymore. In the 2026 AI era, the real skill is building systems that work even when you don't. The people you see growing consistently, posting regularly, showing up everywhere are not working harder. They have automated their workflow. So, in this video, instead of talking theory, we are going to build a real automation system from scratch because AI has already removed effort from thinking. The next layer it is removing is execution. If you are still repeating the same steps every day, writing, formatting, posting, you are competing with people who replaced that entire process with systems. So today let's build one of those systems. We will automate LinkedIn posting using AI and automation. To do that, we need a platform that connects apps, AI and workflows together, and that platform is Make. So open your browser, search for Make. Then click on the first link and now click on Get Started. Then sign up using Google or email. I am continuing with Google. Then select your account. Then click on Continue. Now sign up for free. This will ask some questions. You need to answer them. Here you can select any app and then click on Continue. To create automation, we need to create a scenario. So click on Create a Scenario and click on Build from Scratch. To post on LinkedIn, we need data. So to get data, we use Google Sheets. So in the browser, open Google Sheets and name it as automation content. Then name the first row as content links. And in the second row, we need to give the link of the content we want to post. So search for any news article. I am searching for generative AI article. I am opening this link and copying it. Then paste it into the second row. Now back to Make. Click on the plus icon and add Google Sheets. Then click on Watch New Rows. Now click on Create a Connection and sign in with your Google account. Choose the connected account and click on Continue. Make will ask for access to create and delete drive files and spreadsheets. Allow all permissions and click on Continue. Now in spreadsheet ID, select our file automation content. Give the sheet name as sheet 1. Set the limit to 1. This means it will process one row at a time instead of all links together. Click on Save. For starting point, select all and click on Save. Our first step, retrieving data, is done. To check is this model working successfully, right click on this model and run this model only. You can see here articles link is retrieved from Google Sheets, and here is the row number. Every time we run it, it will read the new row. So we need to add the link in the further rows. Now the second step is summarizing the data. To summarize, we use the Google Gemini model, then click on Generate a Response. Now we need to create a connection. Click on Create a Connection. Here we need an API key. So open Google AI Studio. Click on Get Started. Agree to the terms. Then go to Get API Key. Click on Create API Key. Create a new project. Name it Make Automation. And click on Create. Name the key as Summarizer and click on Create Key. Copy the API key and paste it here. Click on Save. Select the model as Gemini 2.5 Flash. In Messages, click on Add Item. Set role as user, message type as text, and in the text, write summarize the following article. Then select content links from the Google Sheets output. When you select content links, this ensures every new link is automatically summarized. Now click on save. Let's rename this model as summarizer. Now the third step is personalizing the content. So again add Google Gemini. Click on generate a response. Use the same connection we have created just now and select Gemini 2.5 Flash model, and in message set role as user, message type as text, and use this prompt. I will provide this in the description. In the place of result, use the result of summarizer. Now click on save and rename this model as personalizer. Now let's test the workflow. Click on run once. You can see Google Sheets ran successfully, and read the next row. The summarizer produced a clean summary, and the personalizer converted it into a LinkedIn style post. Now the final step is posting this content to LinkedIn. So click on the plus icon and search for LinkedIn. Select create a user text post. Create a connection. Now select LinkedIn and keep connection name as it is. Now click on save and sign in to your LinkedIn account. The content field, select the output from the personalizer. Click on save. And I have opened my LinkedIn account already. Now run the scenario again. You can see every model running successfully. Refresh LinkedIn. You will see a new post published automatically through this automation. This is how you can build a complete automation to post content on LinkedIn. Just add new links to Google Sheets and schedule it to run daily or weekly. And the system will automatically summarize, personalize, and post content for you. Finally, you have successfully built an automation system to post on LinkedIn. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to my channel.